the boat, but I can't touch grass. Okay, well, we gotta try this now. So we gotta see if we can make a boat. I'm gonna have to probably speed this up because it might take a while. Anyway, let's hop into the making the boat. First, we need a little structure so it can stay flat. But yeah, let's speed this up. 3, 2, 1. After some time, I've gone further. Let's just say that. I had to cut the video because it took a while. I think this is not bad of a boat. I think we might have a chance of winning. Let's try this out soon.